As the world's best-selling electric scooter company, you know that anytime you step onto your Mi electric scooter, you're riding with the best. Today, we're excited to take that one step further. For our next electric scooter, we're partnering with the Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One team. I'm proud to introduce the Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One Team Edition. We first teased this product last summer, and we're so excited that it's finally here. Nothing but the best. So, we're bringing you the best design, inspired by the swift spirit of the Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One team. And, of course, the best performance, with speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour on up to 20% inclines. On top of that, your battery will last for up to 45 kilometers. Of course, the best also means the best safety features. The Mercedes AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition will be equipped with bright headlights, rear brake lights, and reflectors to ensure you're seen by others on the road at night, and a double braking system to ensure that you slow or stop exactly when you need to. What's it going to cost to ride with the best? Up to 45-kilometer travel distance, maximum speeds of 25 kilometers an hour, reliable double brakes, and an easy folding design, all in the bold design of the Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One team. Just €799. Sales will be starting soon via Mi.com, authorized Mi stores, and local retailers. Follow local social media channels for more details. Ride with the best. The Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One Team Edition is waiting for you. Available soon.